These were the two most important crop pictures in history to tell us about UFO flight. I've labeled them with a few symbols. And today I'm going to show exactly what they mean in terms of this model I've built here, which has two sets of spinning magnets and 6 coils on that level and 3 coils on the level below. Now we're going to start with this crop picture on the left, which shows the UFO in sort of its landing position where it's not spinning yet, like over here. We can see a south magnet at the center of a ring with 4 north magnets all around the outside. There's a ring. And here we have our ring with the south magnet blue in the center, and there's 4 north magnets around the outside, N. Although I haven't labeled them, they'd be red magnets. Now, when this magnet starts spinning with 3-phase power, there will be a powerful rising force upward, both due to the rising of a magnet and also between the flywheel and the magnet, because they attract one another. Red attracts blue. So let's just turn on power to that one alone. Let's start the magnet spinning. And you can see it wants to rise up. Just as a control, I want to show you that this magnet by itself, without the flywheel, will lift up with 3-phase power. Like that. And this is why in the no-spin position we saw a big lifting force there for the south magnet blue in the center of the other 4 magnets. Now let's go into this next crop picture, which is identical to the first, except both the magnet and the flywheel is spinning. Those red and blue lines, circles, are exactly the same alignment in each case. And you can see the blue magnet has gone up relative to the reference, and the red flywheel has gone up, and they've been separated by some distance. So let's see if we can simulate that with our model itself. We'll turn the power on, start the magnet spinning in the center, and now we're going to start the outer flywheel spinning in a reverse direction. Now the outer flywheel is spinning anti-clockwise, while the magnet in the center is spinning clockwise. Let's speed up the outer flywheel a bit. Now, I'm going to turn the power on the magnet in the center, and what are you going to see? It goes way down. The magnet in the center goes way down. Just like the red and blue are separated here, the blue's gone down relative to there. Here the red and blue are touching. Here the blue is down below the red. So you see it's going way down. We turn the power up even more. It stays down. Okay. Now we'll turn off the flywheel in the center, and we'll turn off the flywheel outside. So what we saw here, we started with these two together, and then when we put them some spin, the blue in the center went down below the red outside, one spinning one way, one spinning the other way. Now this crop picture also tells us that these things lift up. That one actually lifts up in the air by anti-gravity, and that one also lifts up. We haven't measured that yet, but that's really be the next step to try.